Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can show the information for a model we installed on our system using Ollama. So on command prompt we typed Ollama and all the commands are visible. So to show we need to use the show command. Okay, right now we have two models here we listed using Ollama space list command. Okay, now let's say I want the information regarding Llama 3.2. So I'll type Ollama show Llama 3.2 and let's see what information is visible. Here it is, all the information is visible. Architecture parameters 3.2 billion, we all know. The context length as well as the quantization for optimization is visible and the licenses. In this way guys, we can also check our second one, that means Ollama show Mistral, and let me check it again. It's Mistral, right? Press enter and here is the information. It was for 7.2 billion parameters and the context length and embedding length with the quantization is also visible and the license also. So guys, we saw how we can show the information of a model with Ollama. Thank you for watching the video.